Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel, and this is the recipe of the week, homemade meatballs and spaghetti. In this recipe of the week video, we share with you a recipe for how to make meatballs from scratch. We'll attach the original recipe in the description. You will find the original recipe full of details of ways that you can make multiple batches at once, how you can freeze them ahead of time, either cooked or raw, and how to cook in a skillet or in the oven. In this video, we chose to bake them in the oven. Simply, we added 1 pound of ground beef, breadcrumbs, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of mustard, salt and pepper. You can also add onions if you like. You just knead that together, either with a mixer using a dough hook attachment or just use your hands to mix it well. After kneading thoroughly, scoop out tablespoon-sized meatballs and roll tightly. Place the meatballs in a single layer on a lined baking sheet. Drizzle the meatballs with oil. Bake the meatballs in a preheated oven to 425 degrees for about 10 minutes. Carefully flip them. Then finish baking for another 5 to 10 minutes or until the meatballs are cooked all the way through. Meanwhile, boil spaghetti noodles according to package instructions. After the meatballs are ready, heat a pan with pasta sauce and any seasonings that you want. Then add meatballs into the sauce until heated through and it's ready to serve. We hope that you enjoyed this week's recipe of the week video. If you liked it, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And with that said, thank you for watching, and remember, it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.